So this is the Kendy railway station, and from here many people were joining us, especially from various countries, and because of the beautiful train ride towards the hilly area that we were heading towards. And let's see what happens next in our adventure time. And I'm quite excited because people generally say that this is one of the most beautiful train rides one can experience. And just too much excited for it and waiting how it will be, and then I'll keep you posted, and we'll stay connected.